Just like fire, burning up the way, rocking the world up for just one day. Watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anyway. Just like magic, I'll be flying free. I'ma disappear when they come for me. No one can be just like me anyway.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video I have a mukbang, and you guys, I'm super excited because I haven't had king crab in a minute, and I've been watching Miss Blove's video, and I'm like, oh, I gotta get me some, and I got some of her sauce, so I'm excited about that. If you haven't tried it, you definitely need to try it. It is delicious. So yeah, so I got king crab. I'm not gonna eat all these, but look at that. Ooh. I got some potatoes. Got some eggs, and got some good old corn. So guys, I'm gonna remove some of these crabs out of the way. They are so sticky. And before we get started, I'm gonna say my blessings. Lord, thank you for this food we're about to receive. Let it be nourishing and delicious. In the name of Jesus, amen. All right, y'all. And I'm going to put one of my potatoes in there. And I'm going to start. Oh, my God. This thing is so sticky. Okay. I got my scissors, y'all. I hope y'all can see me. Okay, let's see. So can I cut into this? Woo. Okay, let's see, can I get into it? Oh, these things are so sticky. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Look at that meat. Can I cut it? Uh-oh, it fell off. I can see this finna get messy. Not much more. Okay. So we got us some meat. Look at that. Ooh, that looks good. Look at that. Y'all. Y'all, this sauce is hot. Y'all, I even put some onions in mine. Like Miss Blove. Oh my God. You guys. That is delicious. OMG. And this sauce is so hot. I got me some water. Y'all, that sauce is hot, but it is so good. Oh. Look at that. I made it a little bit more spicier this time. Y'all, got me some eggs. I don't know, a lot of people don't eat eggs with crab meat, but I love it. Man, that sauce, it is good. So good. I'm just wasting stuff everywhere. Oh man, look at all that meat, y'all. Look at all that meat. Ooh, look at all that meat. This is gonna be so good. Oh, I'm trying to get some of the onions. Look at that. I'm already wasting stuff on me. That is good. See, can I get this potato out without burning myself? So good. Ooh, ooh. Y'all, these are so sticky. Ooh. Gosh. Let's see, can I get in here? Come on now. Crab giving me a hard time. Ooh. Okay. Let's see, can I get the meat out? Falling apart, but look at that. That meat. Ooh. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. Oh, look at those onions on there. Ooh, that looks so good. Ooh. Eggs. Y'all. This is messy, but it's so freaking good. Let's try some of this corn out. It's so good. Y'all, this sauce, look at all them onions. This is delicious. Tear this off. That's the fat. Let me. My scissors don't want to work right today. I can barely get in these things. God, gosh. Okay, I think I can get it. Ooh, look at all that meat. I got meat right there. Look at that. Big old piece. Oh, I still got some meat right here. Ooh. All them onions. This is so good. That's a little spicy. The first time I made it, I didn't make it that spicy, but this time it's kind of spicy. Ooh. I'm about to tell you. Oh my God. Man, this is delicious. Y'all definitely got to try Miss Blove sauce. It's so good. Want my onions. And if you like onions, it's really good in the sauce. Oh, I got another piece right here. OMG. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Y'all, y'all been watching my videos, my mukbangs, y'all know I'm getting full. I just cannot eat a whole lot at one time. But I love to eat. I got 2 more legs over here. Ain't no way I could eat that. But, oh, look at there. That's awesome. It came right on out. Whatever I don't eat now, we'll get ate later. But yeah, I can't get me no onions on them. Y'all, I'm so full. But this sauce, ooh, so good. You cannot go wrong with that. Y'all, I can't even eat this other little leg. I'm full. I am so full. I got another leg, got a potato. I got a half a potato in there. But that sauce, it's yummy. It's so good. You guys, I don't know if I just wanted crab so bad or I just get full easily, but this was delicious. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next